Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Beyblade that you can drive. So this is what it looks like when you're finished. So first, what you want to do is get a block and then put 5 of it in a row. And keep on doing that until you have a square. Next, you have to get motor 2 and make it face forward. And you have to get a main pilot seat and make it face towards the right. And then next, you need to get propeller, and you have to put it here, and you need to remove this, and you just have to put the propeller in. And then next, you need to get the super rocket engine. And then we just need to change the settings. So for this propeller that's on the seat, you have to set the increased power to E. And then turn on off only mode and reverse thrust. And then you need to only make on and off only mode for this super rocket engine, and for these you just need to set it to R and F. And for the motor 2, you need to change the speed to 50. Next, for the trail, you're going to want to get the smoke pipe and then put it here. And then for a PvP weapon, what you want to do is get the gun. And you just get these guns so you can put it on the Beyblade. Put them all around your Beyblade like this. And then you can also put the guns on top of the Beyblade. And then next, you want to get the lava spitter. And put it like this. And then you're going to have to change the settings. Change this to Z and toggle, and then Z and toggle. And then you can also get the cutters and put it on the side of your Beyblade. Like that. And also remember that you can't put something below it, because if you put something below it and then you try moving, it would just tip over. So next, what you want to do is color it. So you can color it by choosing color, and then if you click this bucket, it will paint the whole thing just like that. So next, we can start it and press Z to start the lava spitters, and then hold R just like that, and just like that we have a moving Beyblade that we can drive. So that's all for today's video. I hope you have a good time and see you next time.